Okay, this is a 1960s, early 60s ranch flip in North Texas. We're on at the back of the structure, back of the house. Right in here, what we see in here is this is the roof underlayment, and it's supposed to go over the drip edge flashing. In fact, drip edge flashing is supposed to go over, see that blue in there? That's the edge of the roof decking. The flashing is supposed to go over the decking, and then the underlayment is supposed to go over both of them on the drip side. It's composition shingle roof, and that's wrong, by the way. Old man on roofs. Alright, this is a recent installation. I can see some loose nails flying around here. We got some normal scuff marks. That's not unusual. But those shingles are damaged. They should either be repaired. They can repair that by taking a little bit of tar or pookie and some granules, probably from inside the rain gutters that will come up there, and they can patch that, or they could replace those shingles. But those shingles are boogered up. These areas are a little less. These gouges, they really shouldn't have been like that. Okay? Now, all roofs have some deflection in them, unfortunately. I mean, they're just not all perfect. If you can see, there's a little bit of deflection right over there, right in there. And you just can't get away from it. You can't get around it. So, but the thing is look at this deflection over here. This is called sumping, okay? Way too much deflection over here. I don't know what's going to be done about it. I don't know what will happen if you keep it like that, because I see some of them. I see them. It's not rare. I know what it is. I can identify it. So, but that's called sumping when it goes in there like that. And then we got just a little bit more boogered up areas here. Kind of an impact mark. I don't think it's hail. Some people call these turtles. Alright. These are bathroom vent fans. These are attic vents. This is the clothes dryer vent. It no longer meets the current clothes dryer standards. The new code has called for, I believe it's a 9x9 opening instead of this opening right here, this smaller one. That could be universal for a bathroom, or at one time that could be universal for a bathroom or a clothes dryer, but that vent by current code is undersized. These vents are attic vents. When you see this, I know that I'm looking inside. I'm looking for a tankless water heater. That's a tankless water heater flue, and that's a conventional furnace flue right there. This is your fireplace. You have a brick surround or a chase. The flue itself is metal, okay, with a cap. What we have here, this is the fresh air, so that the fireplace can breathe combustible air, and you do not have to compete with the fireplace for air inside the living space, because the living space has been remodeled and it's tight. Now the problem with this is if the manufacturer says that this is okay, that supersedes code. But code says that this fresh air induction vent should not be any higher than the actual firebox. It's not practical. You're not going to be able to install that. This fireplace is in the center of the house. But that's what the code says. It'd be interesting to see what the fireplace manufacturer says. Coming along, this is a hip roof. It's all a hip roof, and we're over the front porch right here. And this is a metal roof. I'm just having a little bit of trouble with how this hip ridge comes in on top of this metal flashing like this, and comes under this metal flashing. You got a little gap right here. So I'm just having a little bit of difficulty with that. I don't know that it's right or wrong, to be frank. But I'm just having a little, that just concerns me a little bit. I'll probably be doing some more homework. Alright. Metal roof. All this looks good. All the fasteners look good. Coming along here. The rain gutters should be clean. They always should be clean. That's nothing unique. The ends of these is standing ridge metal roof, and these ends are all open, and sealing those is an option. That's one way to do it. So now we're coming over here. Well, it's not a hip ridge, so we got a different framing detail. Coming along here. Okay, the house faces west. That's the front porch, that's west. So currently we're on the I'm mixed up here. West and east, south side of the house. If you ever get lost about where you're at, you see those satellite dishes on that roof over there. Satellite dishes are like a urban compass because they all face, in this part of the country, they all face pretty much, or the world, pretty much they face south. So we're coming along. This is uneventful. Backtracking along across the top. So we've got some gouge marks, we've got some scuff marks, we've got some sumping. We've got the vent that's too high. We've got some questionable shingle details on the north side of the front porch.